This is the Horizon Hydrogen Grand Prix, energized by Chevron. Look at the screen right here. These are your talented young drivers, as you can see, as they duel, as they just weave and bob. But the blue car was able to just carry on ahead. Nice cutting right there. You can see the competition is really, really fierce as they bump into each other, knock into each other. Taking a look at these cars, even oh, what a flip. Managed to, but when you bump into another one, that's a little bit sabotaging right here.
Yesterday, I was extremely impressed by the presentation from the all-girls Methodist girls team, which is a great opportunity to reiterate that the STEM fields are open to all and that diversity in all forms is really prized.
Through hands-on experimentation, through learning theory and make theories into practice, and running the race is an invaluable experience. They cannot get this experience from classrooms, they cannot get the experience from textbooks. They have to work with their hands, with their minds, with their agility, with their critical thinking, and on-the-spot response. It's really real-life exciting, and I think this resonates very well to the young people.
Events like this are really key in securing social acceptance of hydrogen in communities across the world, and especially here in Singapore. And our work with our educational partners, the Science Center and Chevron, is really instrumental in bringing this successful program.
Team number 25. What's happening right now with your car?
Our battery's dead. We're trying to charge it with the hydro sticks.
Okay, good luck, good luck.
Not fast but furious, but here they gotta go fast, they gotta go furious. Is of course car number 14, car number 15, the red car. Oh!
Definitely this competition has helped us a lot to build our teamwork because there's a lot of communication required in this competition with the driver and also the engineers, and we have to station ourselves and strategize how are we going to play out the competition. So I think we really improved on the aspect through this competition today.
I think the secret will be teamwork, I will say. Good and clear communication between your team, drivers, engineers, and everybody. I think it's very important that everybody has a solid strategy where they want to stick to, but however, you need to create additional strategies that might change during the race.
Racer was just keeping everything in, and ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna go into the 10 seconds countdown. Ladies and gentlemen, the race is over. Temasek Racer, 589 laps.
We're very excited for the finals, and we're very happy that we were able to win the nationals today.
We're thrilled at how this event has come off. We're thrilled at the number of students from different schools across Singapore, and we're really happy to see them all here today.